Alright, so I just got a package in the mail today, and it's from Holly. And this is supposed to be the USB cable for the CAN bus for the Terminator X. I did start to open, I just took it out of the package here. I did start to open it, and then I was like, because what had happened is I ordered one of these, and, you know, it's supposed to be that. And this one is not that. It's a coil driver. So, whatever. I called them up and I told them what number was on here. I told them what number's on here, and yeah, it's possibly it got boxed wrong. So I just, you know, making a video for whatever. So yeah, I just got this and I'm about to open her up. It was like raining off and on today. It was actually raining pretty bad today. And it stopped, so. Hey, USB CAN bus harness, here we go. This is right. So it's 271R1181A. So yeah, I might have a running truck today.